Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a deep dive into how to set task deadlines using Todoist's natural language. A game changer in the productivity domain, this feature makes task scheduling a breeze. So let's get started. The first step is to open the Todoist app on your device and click on the Add Task button. This helps us because it's where we get to input the details of the task we're trying to accomplish. Remember, getting started is half the battle. Now that we've done that, you'll want to type in your task. However, you're not just going to type in the task alone, you're going to use Todoist's natural language feature. Let's say you have a project due next Friday. Instead of typing project, you type project due next Friday. The reason we do this is that Todoist has an intelligent natural language processing engine. It understands phrases like next Friday and automatically sets the task deadline for you. This feature not only saves you time, but also makes the process of setting deadlines intuitive and hassle-free. Next up, you'll want to confirm the task deadline by clicking the Schedule button. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Todoist's AI is cross-verifying the date and time you've entered using natural language against its calendar. If there's a match, it will set the task deadline accordingly. This step ensures that your task deadlines are accurate and in sync with your schedule. Now that we've got our task and deadline all set up, the final step is to hit the Add button. This finalizes and saves your task with its deadline into Todoist's system. It's important to note that until you hit Add, your task and its deadline are not saved, so always make sure to remember this final step. So there you have it. With a few simple steps, you've mastered setting task deadlines using Todoist's natural language. Not only does this feature streamline your task scheduling process, but it also makes it more efficient and accurate. And with that, we'll wrap up our guide on how to set task deadlines using Todoist's natural language. Thanks for watching, and remember to keep exploring the many features of Todoist to boost your productivity. Until next time, happy scheduling.